Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at another brain teaser. This is going to be Mutating Strings Part 2. If you haven't already done Mutating Strings Part 1, I recommend you go back and take a look at that one, as this brain teaser is going to build on top of that. As always, the link for this brain teaser, as well as the repository with all of them, can be found down in the video description below. Let's dive into Visual Studio and take a look. So here we can see that the problem starts out very similar to part one. We've got a string, who am I, in this case Kevin, that we assert are equal. We then need to cause an identity crisis such that this string here converts from the string Kevin into Kelly. And how we go through and do this, because this is a constant string that we effectively need to mutate down here. So if you'd like to pause the video and try to solve it yourself, I'll give you a few moments. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go ahead and jump forward into the solution branch and take a look. Here we can see that the solution is very similar to what we did in part one. We're still using the unsafe keyword to get a pointer to our string and iterating over it to change the characters. The difference here is leveraging a feature of the CLR called string interning. This is the ability to have two string literals that match be the exact same reference. So in this case, we can see that this constant string, who am I, Kevin, is actually going to be the same instance of the string as the who am I up here, meaning we no longer need to pass the string into the method. We can just use the fact that these two strings will be interned. It is worth noting the behavior of this does change a little bit depending on which version of .NET that we are talking about. You can see the documentation on string.intern for some detailed analysis of which versions and the behavior of them. In this case, we are running .NET 7. We can go ahead and run this test and confirm that yes, it does in fact pass, and we have mutated the string who am I from Kevin into Kelly. Until next time, happy coding.